So as you can see, this is a recording of me trying to show the extent to which you can use Claude AI for a lot of things. Okay. So, and what I did today is I tried to remove the boring work from my routines. And one of the things that I generally hate because I'm not technical, I don't know how to use like video editing skills or video editing software. So what I do usually is I try as much as I can to pretty much post my videos almost the way I record them. And so this even is a screen recording that I'm doing right now. And yeah, I just want to show like the spread to which you can actually use your AI when you are lucky enough to get started, or if you're brave enough to get started, how you can use it to be able to keep expanding the breadth or the amount of work that it can do for you and with you. And so today I'm wearing my red shirt. A lot of people like it, like me in red. And I have a lot of kind of revolutionary colors like red, green, yellow, black, mainly the colors you see in African flags. And so these are the colors that I call revolutionary colors or Jah Rastafari colors. And so you'll see a lot of them in African countries' flags. And so since they say it makes me look nice, I hope this song matches exactly how I feel in this moment after mastering this Claude skill, video editing, and also the green screen skill.
But radio danger, danger.
Yeah. So now behind me you can see the skill at work. So what I did is I recorded this video using Zoom, and then I saved it on my laptop, and then I fed it to Claude Code so that it can use the green screen skill and the video that I had just posted before this video, so that you can see, like, you can pretty much do almost everything you want to do as long as you are guided, and as long as, by the way, you use Claude to teach you how to use it, because that's pretty much most of what I do. I watch a couple of YouTube videos, and then I come back to Claude and I ask it, can you show me how to use this? Or do you know if I can get the skill that helps me to do ABCD? And then I work with it to make sure that I get the right skill. So let me know what you think. If it did a good job or if it's as bad as I usually post my videos. Thank you. And if you're a professional or a small business owner or a not-for-profit organization owner, charitable organization as well, who wants to learn how to use Claude in your own work, please click on the link below. Click on the comment below, because I have put a link to my Saturday free classes for you to be able to join me so that you can learn how to use these tools together. Hasta la vista!